Hey guys, welcome back to Yolan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Wix on our app. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering how do you use the Wix owner app here. For you to actually start using it, you first need to install the actual app, which in this case, you can download this from Google Play Store. So just this case, just download it, and once you've downloaded it, you need to open up the Wix app, and from here, just log in, and once you've logged in, you should be able to see this UI here. So first things first, for us to start managing our website, we first need to select our website we want to manage. Let's go and choose our first website here, and in here it should show you your dashboard. So we are going to discuss the basics here on how to use it. So let's go ahead and click on continue to Wix app here, and from here, what are the basics here? So generally speaking, we actually have 5 tabs that we can actually access here. So first is going to be the homepage. Now the homepage actually contains different details and general information about your account or your website here. Like for example, if you have like contacts in here, if you have payments, you have pay links, invoices, if you have those, and price codes, proposals, forms, activity, and all of those details. This is where you'll be able to actually see them. But the great thing about the Wix owner app here is you can actually customize what the homepage is going to look like. You can go and click on manage widget here. And from here, you could add and remove different sections for it. For example, if you want to remove proposals, you go ahead and click on the minus icon there. And from then on, you could go ahead and basically remove anything you want and add anything that you want. But once you're done, just click on save, and that should update your, or in this case, customize your homepage. Now, when we go to activity here, it's going to give you your recent activities. So for example, if you have any notifications or anything that you did here or need to be notified, this is where you'll be able to actually see them. So any activity you did within your account here. Now, by the way, you also have the option to change your site by clicking on your name at the top left here. Basically, choose your website here if you want to. Now, you also have the add option here, which in this case allows you to create invoices, pay link, announcements, price codes, and create social posts if you want to. So there's also marketing tools that you can actually access here. Now, inbox would actually contain some details or messages that you receive on your account. So for example, if someone actually messages your account regarding a product or any messages they receive, you'll be able to see them in the inbox section. Now, if you click on manage here, you have the option to basically manage what your website or your mobile app is going to look like. So in this case, you also have the option to manage your payments if you want to update your settings here. You also have the portfolio. You should be able to see your photo albums here as well. If you want to create your album here as well, you can go ahead and do that. Also have the customers and leads here if you want to create those, and also marketing here if you want to basically create email marketing. So you can actually do it via the owner app here. Now, just to give you an idea, let's go and click on website here. And from here, you have the option to view, or in this case, change a few things like the CMS and business information, offers, and coupons. So anything that you could do within the actual website, or in this case, in the web version of the Wix website, you could do it in here. But the only exception here is you don't have the capability to actually edit the website itself. So you need to go to the desktop version for you to edit it, because editing the actual site takes a lot of power, which in this case, a mobile phone can't support that, especially with the restrictions and the differences on the tools that you use. So if you want to edit it or further customize your website, you need to go to the web version. But if you just want to manage information, some marketing here and data there, you should be able to do it in here. Now, if you want to edit your mobile app, you go and click on mobile app here, and from here you have the option to edit your mobile app. In this case, you also have the email invites here, view on space app here, edit your app if you want to. If you want to view it, you should be able to actually view it. But in this case, you need to download the app itself, or in this case, introducing members here. But yeah, so this space is for Wix if you want to edit it. Now, in this case, what if you want to add, like for example, I want to add a invoice here. Let's go and click on invoice. Now, the great thing about Wix owner app here, you have the capability to do the same things that you could do on web, excluding the option to actually edit the actual website. But then again, if you just want to add a few things, manage a few things here, it's actually pretty helpful, especially if you're in the go. Now, you have the option to add your customers, the due date here, product services, the usual stuff that you see on the web version. But yeah, so in this case, those are the basics that you need to know here to start using the actual app or the owner app for Wix. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to YoLearn app. Thank you for watching.